Hello again, Gallaher Elementary. This is Carnegie Elementary again with the second package we received from your school. And we have the team opening it is?
Jonna, Cora, and Rutha.
And what team do we have here?
Team Crunchy.
Team Crunchy. Okay, let's take it out of the package and weigh it. Ooh, let's take a look at that first.
That's interesting. That is very interesting. Is that
Okay, let's get the mass. And Johnny, you want to write that down on the envelope?
Why is it 9?
Keep up in the table. 25.6.
25.
Okay, let's see what the chip, how it survived. Be careful opening it up. Oh, I see some crumbs. That's not a good sign.
not a good sign?
I would use the scissors. Okay, work together, guys.
There's a lot of things on it.
We have
Too much tape.
some Sharpies, gel, cardboard, foil, tape. What's that? What's this? What was that brown material?
Felt.
Oh, is it felt? Oh, wow, okay. First time I've seen that in a couple of years. There's the door. Oh, little balls of foil to create cushion.
Kind of like cotton.
Oh, be careful. I'm not sure where the chip is. Try to investigate that before. Oh, I see another piece. Careful.
The chip is
Sort of maybe, yeah, dump it out maybe. Easy, work together, girl.
Wait. Yeah, just cut that. It's hard.
Okay. Okay. Gentle, gentle.
There's a chip.
Okay.
Where is the rest
Okay.
of the card?
Can we maybe let Jonna do something?
I think that's all the
Well, it has to be somewhere. It's only, there has to be at least another 2/3 of it somewhere. Check under.
there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's so big.
Maybe it is. Scissors.
Oh. Oh, okay. Keep going. Oh, some styrofoam. A lot of. Oh, be careful. Check the envelope. Okay. Do I dump it out? Okay.
Don't make a mess.
Let's do one more check of this. Okay, so I think we're gonna have to go to 20.
Yes.
Yeah, it's not 10. 10 is when it's totally shot. Let's do 20. Okay, so let's do a calculation, ladies. 20 divided by the mass. What was the mass that was written down?
25.6.
28.2.
What?
Number 2.
25.6.
20 divided by. Okay, do it one more time. Just double check. 20 divided by
Hello? Are you in here?
25.6 equals.
2.
Okay, can you write that down on the envelope? 0.0781. Okay, big brains. Good try. I hope you had fun.
No, it's.
Oh, Team Crunchy. Sorry, Team Crunchy. Thank
That's
you.
the other one. Wait.
Okay, bye.
0.
Say bye, everyone.
Bye.